This operation today was actually not intended at the former DC's location. It was a different area within Medina. But I would say also, thank God, they attacked us. But when they attacked us, we managed to get all this. This was not really our target. So it was a blessing in disguise. So I think it was a very good chance for AMISOM that we could pick all this, and we shall ensure this cordon and search continue without any hindrance. We shall continue doing that.
Okay guys, jump onto the truck. Okay.
The message is to call upon all Somalis, all institutions to support the effort and the sacrifice which AMISOM is making for the peace and the stability in Somalia